my channel. This is Carmel Asha, and if you're new here, thank you for being here. All right, so in this video, I wanted to tackle highlighting and contouring, okay? And I went ahead and used the JUVIA'S Place concealers basically throughout the entire video to do my highlight areas and my contour areas. I did highlight and contouring two ways, basically meaning the first way was with concealer, and then I also show how to highlight and contour using bronzer and setting powder. Okay, so I would say go ahead and watch my routine. All right. All right, guys, so that was my routine, okay? I hope it was pretty easy and straightforward for you guys. I really love highlighting and contouring. It's actually one of probably my favorite part of makeup. To me, that's where the transformation happens. It's really fun, and when you get the hang of it, it really does make a difference with how you sculpt your face. So I definitely hope it helps. I will go ahead and list all of the products that I use down below in the comment box. All right, guys. If you like this video, please go ahead and like. And if you have any comments, then absolutely, I want to hear your comments. If you have any other video ideas for me that you want to see, please let me know. And if you haven't yet subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe, guys, so you don't miss anything, okay? Some of what I have coming up is some more black owned makeup, black owned skincare, black owned hair care. I have a lot coming up, guys. So if you don't want to miss it, please go ahead and subscribe, okay? Love you guys. I always appreciate you watching. See you next time. Bye.